Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you step by step on how to remove parental controls in Epic Games. This will let you play without restrictions, but remember, you will need the pin that was set up before parental controls were turned on. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up your Epic Games on your screen. And once you access it up, you can sign in with your account if you're not already logged in. Now from here, what you need to do is basically go ahead and look out for your profile icon. It is located in the top right corner. Select it up. And from here, you can select the option for your managing your account. You can just go ahead and select that option here, which should be right here. So double click on it, and that should open up your account in your browser. So what you need to do is from this section on your left hand menu, you can look out for the option for parental controls, scroll down for that and head over and find it up. Click on it and it should open up parental controls here. And if you want to set up parental controls, you can just set up a pin first. Let me just set up one. And if you find a toggle option once it has been enabled, you will need to re-enter the 6-digit parental control pin. So let's say this is the option that is enabled, which will always require a PIN for purchasing your Epic Games payment service. So if this option is turned on, you can turn it off like this. And if you'd like to remove it, you just need to go ahead and select this option for create change PIN. And once you click on it, you can just go ahead and enter the PIN that was earlier and click on change PIN, and that will do so. And you can just go ahead and disable it. If you don't remember the pin, you can even click on the forgot pin option if that is available. And Epic Games will send you a recovery email to the parent or guardian's email address on the file. And that's it. Now you have removed the parental controls from Epic Games. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials.